Welcome back to English Boost Everyday, everyone. Today's episode is all about time management and how you can balance your English study with the demands of work, family, and personal life. And guess what? Yapmanız gereken 5 şeyi öğreneceksin. You're about to discover 5 essential strategies to set priorities, build a balanced schedule, maximize focused study sessions, incorporate variety, and review your progress, all while managing your busy routine like a pro. I'm Michael, your host, and I'm excited to be here with our expert guest, Sarah, who specializes in practical time management for language learners. Let's dive right in.
Hi, everyone. I'm thrilled to join you today. Balancing English study with daily life can seem daunting, but with the right strategies, you can make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Today, I'll share practical tips that include setting clear goals, scheduling dedicated study sessions, using efficient study techniques, adding variety to your routine, and reflecting on your progress regularly. These methods will help you optimize your time and make every minute count.
Let's begin with our first strategy. Prioritize your goals. Many learners lose focus when they try to do too much at once. Sarah, why is it important to set clear, realistic goals? And how can our listeners get started?
Setting clear goals is the first step to managing your time effectively. I suggest that you write down both short-term and long-term objectives. For example, a short-term goal might be to learn 15 new vocabulary words this week, while a long-term goal might be to improve your listening skills by watching an English news segment every day. By defining SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you create a roadmap that keeps you focused on what truly matters.
That makes perfect sense. Knowing your priorities helps you avoid wasting time on less important tasks. Now, let's move on to our second strategy. Build a balanced daily routine. Sarah, many of our listeners struggle to carve out time for study amid busy schedules. What tips can you offer for creating a routine that works?
I recommend starting with a realistic schedule. Look at your daily commitments and find blocks of time, perhaps early in the morning, during lunch, or at night, when you can focus on English study. Even 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice can add up over time. Use a digital calendar to set reminders and stick to a regular routine. Also, plan your sessions by mixing various activities like reading, listening, and speaking practice so your study time remains engaging and productive.
Excellent advice. Even short sessions can be effective if you stay consistent. Moving on to our third strategy, maximize efficiency with focused study sessions. Efficiency is about making every minute count. Sarah, how can learners ensure their study sessions are productive?
A great method is the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This keeps your mind fresh and focused. During each session, eliminate distractions by turning off notifications and finding a quiet space. Set a specific goal for each session, such as reviewing grammar rules or practicing pronunciation drills. This focused approach not only boosts productivity, but also helps you absorb material more effectively.
I love that technique. It's simple, yet so effective. Now, let's discuss our fourth strategy. Incorporate variety into your study. Monotony can lead to burnout, so it's important to keep your routine engaging. Sarah, what are some ways to add variety to your study sessions?
Mix up your learning methods to keep things interesting. For example, alternate between watching English videos, listening to podcasts, reading articles, and using interactive language apps. You might spend one day focusing on vocabulary with flashcards and another day practicing speaking with a language partner. Variety not only prevents boredom, but also reinforces different language skills, making your study more holistic and enjoyable.
Great ideas, Sarah. A varied routine definitely helps maintain enthusiasm. Finally, our fifth strategy is review and reflect on your progress. Regular self-reflection and adjustments are key to long-term success. Sarah, how can our listeners effectively track and improve their study habits?
I suggest keeping a study journal where you note your daily achievements, challenges, and insights. At the end of each week, review your progress. What worked? What didn't? This reflection helps you fine tune your schedule and adjust your goals as needed. Seeking feedback from peers or a tutor can also offer new perspectives and motivate you to improve continuously. Consistent review ensures that you remain on track and adapt to changing needs in your learning journey.
Let's quickly recap the 5 essential strategies for mastering time management in English learning. 1. Prioritize your goals. Set clear, SMART objectives to guide your study. 2. Build a balanced routine. Identify dedicated study blocks and schedule regular sessions. 3. Maximize efficiency. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to focus your efforts. 4. Incorporate variety. Mix different learning activities to keep your study engaging. 5. Review and reflect. Keep a journal and seek feedback to continuously improve.
Exactly, Michael. By integrating these strategies into your daily routine, you'll optimize your time and steadily advance your English skills without feeling overwhelmed. Every focused minute contributes to your success.
Before we wrap up today's episode, I want to encourage all our listeners to start applying these tips immediately. Whether you're a busy professional or a student, even short, dedicated study sessions can lead to big improvements over time. Commit to your goals, schedule your study time, mix up your activities, and review your progress regularly.
Absolutely. Remember, effective time management is not about studying longer. It's about studying smarter. Your steady, consistent effort will pay off, and every small step you take brings you closer to mastering English.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Sarah, and thank you to all our listeners for tuning in. If you found this episode helpful, please check out our previous videos on speaking, listening, vocabulary, and writing. We update our channel daily with fresh content, so be sure to visit every day.
Yes, please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our community grow and motivates us to keep delivering practical time management tips.
That's right. So, as you leave today's session, keep these 5 essential strategies in mind and balance your English learning with your daily life like a pro. Until next time, this is Michael, with Sarah by my side, signing off. Have an amazing day and keep mastering your time.